Jai Sriman second sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Name vidussuraganaha prabhavam namaharshayaha ahamadirhi devanam maharshinancha sarvasaha. In every way, Sri Krishna Paramatma is the cause and the source of essence, intelligence and the power possessed by you, all the devatas, devas, rishis, munis and everyone, all the scientists. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember that you are the cause and the source of my essence, intelligence and my power, and not only mine but also power of all the devatas, devas, munis, rishis, scientists and everyone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 112th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas came to Yasoda Devi and complaining about Sri Krishna's activities, saying that, O Yasoda, Vari illu chochi kadavala dorambagu neyyi dravi tudina kadaval veerintani sutundida variki veerikini doddavadayya sati. O Yasoda Devi, your son goes into one house, steals all the things, drinks all the milk, yogurt, butter. Then he puts all those empty pots in neighbor house. Then what happens in the morning? these people and that other house people, all of them will quarrel each other, fight each other. Like that he is creating fight in between so many people. Now look at him, how he is sitting in front of you as if he is very good boy. Like that, Gopikas complaining to Yasoda Devi. How that Krishna is looking there? Sabhaya Nayana Sri Mukha Lokini Bhihi Vyakhyata Ardha. He is shaking, his body is shaking, his eyes are shaking, thinking that Yasoda might beat him, and he is sitting in one corner. Then after seeing such Krishna's so innocent face, all the Gopikas also feeling, no, we should not complain about him. We should not do anything to Krishna. Like that they are all taking their complaints back, and they are all feeling very happy to see such innocent, pleasant face of Sri Krishna. Not only them, Yasoda Devi also giving a nice smile to Krishna and not giving any punishment to Krishna. Like that, Krishna's playful activities are going on in Nandavraj. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 2nd sloka. Name vidus suraganaha prabhavanna maharshayaha ahamadirhi devanam maharshinancha sarvasaha. Name vidus suraganaha prabhavanna maharshayaha ahamadirhi devanam maharshinancha sarvasaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.